Today we are going to talk about gerund phrases. Now, we have already talked about gerunds before. We talked about them briefly, and we said that gerunds are words that look like verbs but act like nouns, and gerunds are going to end in ing. Again, they're not going to be tricky. We're not going to let them be tricky. They look like verbs, but they're acting like nouns. And you can also have a gerund phrase and have more than that singular word. So in this first example, we have writing long essays can be fun. Well, it's my kind of fun. I don't know if it's your kind of fun. In this sentence, what can be fun? Well, writing long essays. In this sentence, we're not writing long essays. In this sentence, we're talking about writing essays. In that case, writing long essays is going to be a thing. It's going to be a noun. So writing long essays is the subject then, and then what do? They can be fun. So, an object of a gerund, if I were to ever ask you this question, again, it's like a direct object. So, writing what? And the answer would be writing essays. So, writing essays is my subject, it's my gerund, it's my thing, and then they can be fun. Let's look at this in actual practice. In actual practice, here we go. There's the IXL. So we're selecting the gerund or the gerund phrase. So we're looking for a whole bunch of ing, guys. In this sentence, it says Maggie loves reading wilderness survival stories and she plans to write a book about her own experiences. Awesome. Well, this sentence is about Maggie, and what does Maggie do? She loves. Now, what does she love? Reading wilderness survival stories. In this sentence, is Maggie reading? No, Maggie loves. That's what she's doing in this sentence. So, what does she love? Reading wilderness survival stories. There's your ing, and this is what she loves reading. Submit. Yay. All right, so in this one, what's the grammatical function of the gerund phrase? So now you're telling me what is it in the sentence? Well, is it my subject? No, it's not my subject. Maggie's my subject. What does Maggie do? She loves, that's my verb. What does she love? Reading wilderness survival stories. In that case, this is my direct object or the object of my verb. This is the loves what? Loves reading wilderness survival stories. It's the object of a verb. Submit. Yay. Carpooling saves gasoline, cuts down on fuel emissions released into the air, and reduces the number of automobiles on already crowded highways. Awesome. I'm looking for my ing. Where do I see it? Carpooling. It's my very first thing. I'm going to click on this because in this sentence, I'm not carpooling, I'm talking about it. It's my gerund. Submit. Yay. So now I'm going to say, what is the function of this? Carpooling is the subject of my sentence. What's my sentence about? Carpooling. What saves gasoline? Carpooling. It's my subject. Submit. One more of these. Before signing with the Brooklyn Dodgers, Jackie Robinson played football for a semi professional team in Hawaii. Why would he move? Anyway, look for your ing. My ing is going to be signing with the Brooklyn Dodgers. Ding. There is my thing in this sentence. There's my gerund. Submit. Now the question is, what's the function? Well, subject. Can't be my subject. Jackie Robinson is my subject. The object of a verb. Jackie Robinson played football. Well, there's the object of the verb. It can't be that. So let me go back to here and look at the word that comes before signing the Brooklyn Dodgers. And that word is before. Before is a preposition. It shows me the relationship between signing here and Jackie Robinson. Before is a preposition, which means that signing with the Brooklyn Dodgers is the object of a preposition. Ta-da. Okay, if you have any questions, please reach out.